Not all industry credentials are created equal. Knowing which ones actually signal a trustworthy Gold IRA company can save you time and stress. It's so easy to get confused by all the certifications and memberships companies display. In the White's Augusta Guide, you will see examples of companies holding memberships in professional associations that enforce high ethical standards. These examples help illustrate how to evaluate any Gold IRA provider based on the credentials that truly matter. When evaluating credentials, pay attention to whether the association enforces ethical guidelines, how long the company has been in good standing, and lastly, patterns of professionalism and integrity over time. This White's Augusta Guide is just one of 8 in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. It also covers the company integrity checklist, digital dollar report, and the gold and silver IRA. I'll link this one in the description so you can see how to separate meaningful credentials from fluff. By understanding which industry credentials matter, you will be able to choose a reputable Gold IRA provider with confidence. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, so easy to follow, and it helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to spot the credentials that indicate a trustworthy provider. You can find the link in the description.